Now, there is a simple concern that comes to the first time users of DJI Mic 2. That is, once you buy the transmitter, it usually comes with one and two mics. A lot of people, because of the budget, buy the transmitter and the mic pair, and a lot of times they do not buy two mics at a go. Now, the problem that I was facing was that my audio quality was quite low and the audio output was quite low when I bought it. And I had a strange feeling that maybe my phone is not receiving it well, maybe the receiver is not right, maybe the mic is not right. But when I purchased the second mic and when I used both of them simultaneously, that problem disappeared. But every time I use a single mic, it is a problem. Now, this has something to do with the S sign here. And let me tell you what it exactly is. So we can go to the settings. You have the receiver settings here. Tap this. So here you can see this is in stereo mode. This stereo refers to the audio input mode, right? Now, if you tap this button, it can change to S, it can change to M. This is mono. This is extremely important. If you're using a single mic, let's say one of the mic is switched off and you're using just one mic, you should switch to the mono mode, or maybe keep the mono mode on, for a long duration. And only when you're using two mics you can switch to the stereo mode, but usually this is what helps. There's another thing called the safety track, which I will explain later, but I can quickly show you the difference of using this mode. Now, right now we are putting it in stereo mode and one of the mic is switched on. I have two mics, so what I can do is I'm going to plug this in my phone, and I'm going to use the setting at my end, but the mic will be here. Now, if I plug it in, now my camera is picking up the audio in this stereo mode here from the mic. The volume might have lowered. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm now going to switch to the M mode. The moment I do this, the quality, thus amount of volume coming from both the ears, from both the channels changes. And this is what is really important when you're using just one mic. Now I'm switching again to the S mode, which means that the volume may go lower. And when I switch on another mic here, let me switch it on, and in both the mics the noise cancellation is on. Now if I use both of them simultaneously, the volume may be good. So this is being checked in real time, and let's see what's the effect of switching off one of the mic. Now the volume may go off. Now I'm going to change to M, and it is possible that it is changing. So if this is a success, I'm going to upload this video. If this is not a success, probably I'll making a new video. But this is a simple setting, and you're going to love using DJI Mic 2 with the mono mode. And I will explain the S mode with mono in one of the next few videos. Till that time, have a good day.